Hello, dear Gemini. A very good morning to you guys, or good evening, or good afternoon, whatever is there in your country. So, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot, first of all, and this is a journal of reading for all the Geminis out there, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and this is a reading from 1st of June till 10th of June. So, keep in mind these are journal readings. It might or might not resonate with you. Okay, let's start. Gemini, your partner's current energy right now is. Your partner's current energy, Gemini, right now is, let's see. I'll keep on shuffling till I feel like yes, I should stop. Gemini, your partner's current feeling, current energy for your partner's current energy right now is. The Moon. I feel like your person is concealing their emotions, hiding their emotions. There's a blockage in their intuition. They are dealing with lots of subconscious fears right now. Okay, right now your person is trying to hide their emotions, control their emotions, conceal their emotions because they are very fearful about something. Okay, let's clarify. Let's clarify why are they so much fearful? Why are they in this zone of not being able to reveal their true emotions to you? Let's clarify. The Moon. Ace of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, they want to, because they are very fearful about starting this connection all over again, because they want to start this connection again. Then they want to go from starting to keep it really slow, and from slowing down they want this connection to be very stable. This is what they want. This is they are fearful of. This is what is going on in their mind right now, and they're very fearful about starting this connection all over again. Okay, this is what they are right now feeling. They are concealing their emotions. They are trying to hide their emotions from you, about this connection, about starting this connection all over again. Okay, let's see your current energy, Gemini. What's your current energy right now? What's your current energy, Gemini? Let's see. Your current energy right now is Nine of Cups. I feel like you might be drinking a lot these days, Gemini. It could also be possible like you are drinking a lot these days. And the second thing is there is some kind of wish fulfillment is happening right now. You are enjoying some kind of success. You are single. I can say that you are single or you are independent and you are enjoying your success. Sorry. So you are enjoying your success. You are enjoying some kind of wish fulfillment in your life right now. You are feeling good about yourself. You are feeling good about your environment right now. Let's clarify the Nine of Cups. Let's clarify the Nine of Cups further. The Sun, the Seven of Wands, and the Death. Okay, I feel like you are feeling really happy about something in your life. I can feel it, Gemini. You are really happy. You are standing your own ground. You are acting defensive towards another person because you feel like the relationship is over. There's nothing left in this connection right now, and you have transformed into something new. Okay, you are moving on, and you are moving on like a boss. And right now you are feeling like I don't need anybody's shit in my life, and I just want to move on, and I want to be happy and single. That is why right now you're enjoying something. That is why right now you're in this energy of single but ready, not ready to mingle and happy. Okay, Gemini, let's see your partner's feelings for you. What this person feels for you, Gemini. Let's see what this person feels for you. What this person feels for you, Gemini. Let's see what this person feels for you. Four of Swords. I feel like this person is deeply heartbroken and they're just trying to heal from this situation. Okay, this person is feeling completely heartbroken, completely shattered, and they're just trying to heal. They are just trying to control their emotions. They are just trying to hold their emotions as of now. This is what they are feeling. This is their feelings for you. Okay, let's clarify. Let's clarify. Four of Swords. Let's clarify Four of Swords in their current feelings for you. The Queen of Swords, the Temperance, and the Knight of Wands. I feel like this person is very very clear about their intentions. They are master in concealing their emotions. They are master in masking their feelings for you, okay? And they're just trying to balance their emotions, and their emotions are telling them to rush into something. They are very very passionate about you. They are feeling very very sexually attracted towards you, okay? They are just trying to balance their emotions as of now. They are trying to hold back because they are very very clear about you. They are very very clear about this connection. They are just trying to balance their emotions, hide their emotions, conceals their emotions. But deep down, this person is very very passionate about you, very very physically attracted towards you. They want to have sex with you, Gemini, okay? They want to touch you, they want to smell you, they want to physically, get cozy with you, intimate with you. This is their feelings for you right now. This is a very normal feeling, very casual feeling, because when you love somebody, when you like somebody, these feelings are, very normal to come, to arrive. Let's see what this particular person wants from you, Gemini. What this person wants from you. This person wants from you the Hermit. They want you to look into yourself, okay? To look into yourself and to seek answers from within. They want you to go inside of your heart, go inside of your mind and soul, and search for the answers. Might be this person wants to, wants you to realize that this connection still have the potential to become a long term thing. Okay, let's clarify the Hermit. Let's clarify the Hermit further. Four of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and the Strength. Yes, you could be dealing with a Leo, Gemini. I feel like this person wants you to realize that this connection could be a stable connection in the future, can be a stable connection in the future, and there will be equal give and take from both the parties, because this connection have the potential to become equal give and take energy. And this person wants you to come out of this holding back state, or it could also be possible that this person wants you to be stable and look into yourself and hold back for the time being. Don't rush into anything, don't rush into a breakup thing or something like that. That is why they want you to look into yourself and seek the answers from within, if you want to give this connection another chance or not. Let's see what to expect from this person till the 10th of June. I'm still living in May now, that's why. So let's see what is coming towards you, or what to expect from this particular person till the 10th of June. Let's see. Five of Swords. I feel like this person is coming towards you, but there is conflicts coming in towards you. Okay, this person is coming towards you, and there is hell lot of ego battles, conflicts, and confusions, and lots of you did wrong and I did wrong and you did that, and blame games are coming towards you. So it is like this person loves you. This person feels like you are their family and you are their happiness. But this person is coming towards you with conflict and with the ego battles and with struggleful energy. Let's see. Let's clarify. They're going to fight with you. I don't know for what reason, but they are going to fight with you. This is what is coming towards you till 10th of June, Gemini. Let's clarify. The Three of Swords, the High Priestess, and the Justice. Okay, because this person is completely heartbroken. See, this is Three of Swords, and they're listening to their intuition. They're tapping into their intuition, and their intuition is telling them that there should be justice in this connection. Okay, you could be dealing with a Libra. So I feel like they want to serve justice in this connection. They want to serve authenticity in this connection, and that is why they are feeling like they should fight for this. They should fight for you. They are coming in towards you because they are completely heartbroken. They are tapping into their intuition, and their intuition is telling them to come towards you and to fight with you to have justice. Okay, there's some kind of miscommunication or conflict going on between you guys, and they want to have justice in the overall situation. This is what is coming towards you till 10th of June. So thank you so much, Gemini, for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section how this reading is matching with you, resonating with you. So God bless you. Namaste. Thank you so much. Gratitude, blessings, and love.